something real quick before we jump into this video, guys. Later this week, I'm going to be picking up an engine for this car. I'm not going to tell you what it is. See if you guys can guess in the comments below. Picking it up for a really good price, either Friday or on the weekend. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here's what I'm thinking, right? So all this black here, this will be all white. And with clear coat on it and everything. And then this, I might leave this silver. Or I might do this wet silver and then put it in black. This writing in these. I just gotta clean them up a little bit. But I think they're gonna turn out nice. So be sure to stick around and see the end product. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Let the paint cure overnight. I'd say it turned out pretty decent for spray paint. Alright guys, so this is how she looks here. I think it came out pretty nice. I definitely want to paint the Van Haas cover also white, just so it matches the rest of the engine covers and looks pretty sweet. Obviously the manifold black because as I talked about earlier in this video, guys, Saturday afternoon I'm going to be picking up a new engine for this car. Definitely drop your guesses below in the comments. Basically, the only tip you're going to be getting is just going to be boosted and the head's getting built because the block's pretty strong already. So that might give it away, might not. With all that being said, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.